how to translate and use Weidian in English. So if you want to translate and use Weidian in English, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And in my case, I'm using Chrome browser. Once you're here, you need to go with your search bar and then search for Weidian. After searching, you will have the Chinese website, right? So you just need to simply go with the weidian.com and the whole page will be in Chinese language. So what you need to do is just simply go with the bottom, which says page translated to English. Or if it doesn't translate into English, then what you can do is you can go and translate it. To do that, you need to just simply go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then you'll find an option of translate. You need to tap on translate, and then here you need to just tap on the settings, go with more languages, and then change it to English. In my case, it's already been changed to English, from Chinese to English. So if you scroll down, as you can see, that the whole page has been translated to English. In this way, you'll be able to translate and use Weidian in English. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.